Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to enable vibration for WhatsApp call, and now let's dive right in. Now to enable the vibrations for WhatsApp calls, just open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and on this interface you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on that three-dotted icon, and on this drop-down menu there is the settings option available for us. Just below the start messages, tap on settings, and over here there is the notifications option available for us. Just below the chats, tap on notifications. Now to turn on or enable the vibrations for WhatsApp call, scroll down until you can see the calls option, and there is the vibrate option available for us, which I had recently turned off. Now in order to turn it on, tap on it, and this kind of pop-up will appear where you will be able to choose the type of the vibration which you like, either a long vibration, short, or a default. I'll be just going with the default, and with that being done guys, the vibration on WhatsApp calls has been enabled or turned on. And guys, this is how to turn on vibration on WhatsApp calls. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.